Congratulations, this is celebration. All your hard work and patience is the reason that you made it. Through all the rough times, you went back to the basics. I'm proud, here's a standing ovation. Congratulations. First off, tell me how you been. I'm the first one clapping every time that you win. Notice your potential, I support you to the end. They don't understand the beauty, I can see it through my lens. Cause progress is all about your mind state. Stop and smell the roses, you the one to make the time wait. Don't know what I'm getting, cause life is like a blind date. Feeling good about it, you can see the smile on my face. Cause I'm loving your progression. See you elevating, now you spreading all the blessings. Good vibes come in the room, can feel your essence. I just had to send you a message. Congratulations.
Check out that
Crispy and beautiful like you.
Perfect. Beautiful.
Look at that.
10 out of 10.
might be the best thing I've ever made.
Congratulations. This is celebration. All your hard work and patience is the reason that you made it. Through all the rough times, you went back to the basics. I'm proud, here's a standing ovation. Congratulations.
Thanks to YumCrunch for making this happen.